Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.
Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a Truckerized tuner report. Rory in Washington, and it's RCI-2970N4. Rory, got it ready to go for you, bud? Got all the mods, all the audio mods, power mods, final upgrades, regulator upgrades, wideband transmit receive. Got your high cut noise filter right here on the back and an amp on off switch. Let's get right to it. Our power all the way down. 250 watt slug. Put the amp on. And there's your 25 watts. In case you decide to run a big amp, you got full adjustability. And there you are at about 140. Show you an average power swing. Low audio. 200 bird. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello 1212 audio. 599.99 watts. Let's roll our power down here some. Look. Let's say you want to run it about 100 watts, which is probably where I'd run it. Carrier. Hello, 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 hello. Still getting your 600 watts of swing. Alright, Rory, gonna get some Bad Mama Jam up to you, as well as 3 brand new RF Limited EC 2018 Turbo Extreme microphones. I appreciate you as always. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales.com. Bum bum.